Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure freelancing tips with Reddit step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Reddit account if you don't already have one. Visit the Reddit website or download the mobile app. Choose a username that reflects your professional freelancing persona. Complete your profile with relevant information about your skills and experience. Next, join subreddits dedicated to freelancing. Search for popular subreddits like r/freelance, r/for-hire, and r/freelancers. Once you've joined the subreddits, take some time to browse through the posts. Observe what types of questions and advice are commonly shared. Look for threads that focus on securing clients and negotiating contracts. Engage in the community by commenting on posts and offering your insights. Make sure to answer questions where you have expertise. Consider posting your own questions about freelancing challenges you face. Draft a clear and concise question to get the most helpful responses. When posting, provide context about your situation to receive tailored advice. Be respectful and open to feedback from other users. Utilize the resources shared by fellow freelancers, such as tools and platforms. Pay attention to success stories shared in the community. Network by sending direct messages to freelancers whose experiences resonate with you. Don't hesitate to share your own success stories to inspire others. Regularly check the subreddits for new opportunities and insights. Take notes on the strategies that seem most effective. Develop a plan incorporating the tips you find helpful. Continuously refine your approach based on the feedback you receive. As you gain experience, contribute to discussions that help others. Over time, build a reputation as a knowledgeable freelancer within the community. Stay active in multiple subreddits to broaden your understanding. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills or experiences. Monitor market trends discussed in the freelancing subreddits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.